Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, first off, a major storm, major snowfall. Not anticipated, just some small accumulations coming up tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Fast-moving, well, fairly weak storm system, but enough of an impact as far as slowing down travel the second half of the day. I want to show you the timetable one more time. And again, it starts off dry tomorrow morning, especially early. I think the bigger weather story in the morning, not so much any precipitation. It looks dry. But boy, it will be frigid. Some spots down to 10 degrees. First flakes of snow arriving sometime after 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. But the intensity starts to pick up a little bit during the afternoon hours, roughly after 11 a.m. through about 5 o'clock in the evening. Most of the snow ending by 8 o'clock in the evening. So some slippery travel on untreated surfaces later tomorrow afternoon and into the early evening hours. Accumulations are small. I'll show you that accumulation forecast in just a second. Coventry, look at that. 9 above. That's not the wind chills, the actual air temperature. Smithfield 14, 18 in Providence, and low 20s along the South Shore. Had an Arctic cold front come through earlier. Much colder air continues to drain down. Providence right now, clear skies with temperatures in the teens. It's already below zero in northern New England, and that colder air continues to filter in. So it's dry for now. We have the cold air in place. Where's the moisture for the snow? Well, area of disturbed weather across the Great Lakes, some energy in the atmosphere. That'll swing south and east and develop a storm off the New England coastline. A fast mover and fairly weak. Once it pulls away, it starts to intensify. But by that time, it's already moved out and taken with it most of the moisture. So at this point, accumulations of a couple of inches at least, especially away from the coastline. Futurecast shows us well starting off this evening and overnight with clear skies, dry conditions tomorrow morning. Clouds are rolling in. 9 o'clock in the morning, it's still dry. Late morning and early afternoon, here comes the blue, which represents light to at times a moderate snow. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Kids are starting to head home from school. It'll start to come down at a pretty good clip. Every now and then some darker areas of blue indicating some steadier snow. Note some rain and sleet just offshore at 4 o'clock. This will tend to sneak in a little bit along the South Shore, especially southeastern Mass and the Cape. This green represents rain. The blue is snow. That's why northern suburbs see a little bit more in the way of snow and not as much as you get closer to the South Shore because of that anticipated mix. Tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, the whole system is out of here. Traveling tomorrow morning, it looks fine, giving it the green traffic light. Snow after 9 or actually 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning. So dry, 15 degrees. Kids heading out to school. It is mighty cold but dry. But coming home from school, steady snow. Some of the roads will be covered. Temperature between 20 and 25. That'll continue throughout the afternoon into the early evening hours. So untreated surfaces becoming slippery the second half of the day. How much snow? From roughly Narragansett, Newport, southeastern Mass, coastal Massachusetts, only 1 to 2. Further north you go inland on the order of 2 to 4, but it'll stay all snow. But I mean, right now I'm leading towards the low side of this accumulation range. So at least 2 inches, maybe some isolated higher amounts, but this is small stuff compared to some of the bigger storms we've had, certainly here in New England. So enough of it to cause us some slipperiness on untreated surfaces tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Better weather tomorrow night. Looks much better for Wednesday and Thursday. Milder Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's been a while since we've seen temps in the 40s, but with that warm-up will come rain showers, not snow, for Saturday and Sunday. So looking okay tomorrow morning, but going downhill a bit tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening.
All right, got to be careful.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Tony.